Love this 4-pound screen. I am 66 inches tall and this screen is 71 inches. So it's got a lot of good. So it gives me coverage if I'm standing in front of it or if I'm sitting in front of it. I use this for filming and it is my backdrop when I'm doing my talking head videos. The material is a fabric material. It's not a paper, so it's pretty sturdy on here. I have pets that are in here all the time and it is still fully intact. One of the really cool things about this is that the material is not thick. You can put a light behind it and then you can have light coming through. So if you want that extra pizzazz in your video filming or you just want some mood lighting when you're out there. The other thing is with it being 4-panel, you can make it be a lot bigger. But the beauty of it is if you want to put it away or you need to move it, this is very, very lightweight. This is the 4 panels, 71 inches, and I'm picking it up and moving it with no issue at all. So you can keep it in one room, or if you need to use it or want to use it in a different room, or if you're using it like me and it's a prop for your filming, it is very, very easy to move around so that you can take it to different places with you. I love it so much, I actually bought 2 of them. I have one here at the office and then I've got one at my house as well because I think it's just a wonderful room divider, but it's also a great backdrop for any kind of my filming that I do. You're gonna love it too.